Hello everyone and welcome to SSB Crack Exams. I'm Hemant and now we're going to discuss about the General Ability Test analysis of the recently conducted National Defense Academy and Naval Academy examination of the year of 2020. As we already know that on 6th of September 2020 we have already seen that NDA NA1 and NDA NA2 of the 2020 year's examination have been conducted, and both of the examinations have the same question paper, consolidated one, but the result will be varied. But you have to always remember that in this particular analysis I will be discussing with you only about the general ability, the part B section of the complete GAT paper. We already have a complete understanding that the general ability test is the second paper. The first paper consists of mathematics, which is of 300 marks, but GAT consists of both English. Part A consists of English, okay, and part B consists of all the important general ability and the general knowledge tests. Okay, so we'll simply say that the part B is completely about the general knowledge and the general science part. So in this particular important lecture series, I will be discussing with you only about the GK section. All the important things that are regarding the English analysis has been already done and it is already live in our YouTube channel. I request you that if in case you want to have a complete knowledge about the English analysis, you can go and see that. Even mathematics analysis is also ready. So before beginning, I would like to give you a complete components of the NDA General Ability Test syllabus. Excluding English, we have these 9 most important topics that come and that are covered under the NDA paper. Okay, and those important topics include physics, chemistry, biology, Indian polity, history, geography, economy, defense specific questions, and the questions that are related towards the current affairs and the static GK. Okay, so all of these are very important. Please remember that I do not go in detail about what are all the subtopics that are coming under each and every particular subject. Instead, I will always tell you and will let you know about the level of difficulty that came in all of these important topics, and I will also tell you the number of questions that are being covered in each and every particular topic and how we should approach for the upcoming NDA examination. So those who have already written this NDA NA 2020 exam in a very good way with flying colors, all the very best, and start your preparation for SSB. And those who feel that they have to write and they have to attempt for the next NDA also, and those everybody who has already written the examination, they also have a good future thought, and every person who is eligible will also prepare for the coming up NDA examination. So for all of them, we will give a very good important tips regarding that exam also. So before beginning, I would also like to remind you that each and every particular question in NDA examination, it carries off 4 marks. That means answering any question in a correct way, you will be scored 4 marks. Okay. So if any particular question, there is also negative marking, and if there is any question that is answered wrong, you have attempted that question and you have attempted a wrong answer for any particular question, you will lose 1.33 marks for every incorrect answer. Why 1.33? Because it is the 1/3 of the 4 marks. Okay, so 4 by 3 is equal to 1.33. So in that particular way, the 1/3 of the allotted marks will be deducted for every wrong or incorrect answer. So for every correct answer, you will score +4, and for every incorrect answer, you will lose -1.3, -1.33, like that. Okay, so this is how the calculation goes. And to understand about the important part B, it consists of 100 questions. Part A consists of 50 questions. Both 100 plus 50, there will be 150 questions for the complete GAT paper. And the total number of marks, because we have 4 marks for each and every question, so 100 questions carry 400 marks. So we understood about the marking scheme. So let us begin with each and every particular topic. We will begin with understanding about the physics. Okay. So the questions regarding physics, there are 21 questions that have appeared in the NDA 2020 question paper regarding, and this number has been constantly the same always. So the number of the questions from physics since the last years and this particular year, it also varies between 20 to 25, and the same consistency has been maintained. Answering all of these 21 questions, you will be able to score 84 marks out of the whole of the 400 marks of this complete NDA examination. So scoring 84 marks out of 400 is very good score. And most of the topics that were there in the physics, they include electricity, magnetism, and waves, optics, and all of these are most important topics that were covered in the physics section. Okay. So now we will understand about the chemistry section. The questions that came from chemistry, there are around 17 number of questions that came from chemistry, and if you answer all the important chemistry questions, you will be able to score 68 marks. A maximum number of questions from chemistry, they came from the inorganic chemistry and the physical chemistry. So the concentration was mostly on that. Only one question has come from the organic chemistry. So chemistry was very easy, and most of the questions that come from the NCERT syllabus, and most of all the important topics regarding chemistry are all covered by us. So now going through with the next important subject is about biology. 12 questions had come in the NDA 2020 question paper from biology section. This biology includes both zoology and botany. Okay, remember, so both zoology, botany, anatomy, what all things you are considering regarding all those biological studies, they come under this one single term, which is biology. So only 12 questions have come from the biology section of the whole of the NDA 2020 question paper. Answering all of them, you will be able to score 48 marks out of the 400 marks. So biology consists of a very varied and distinctive features. Very different topics were asked and numerous topics were there. The complete details and the subtopics regarding the questions and what all type of questions are covered are all written in our article, and also there posted in our Android app also. So I recommend each and every one of you to download the Android app to have a complete analysis of the complete NDA 2020 question paper. Going through with the next important subject is geography. After physics, geography is considered to be a very important and consolidated subject of the whole of the NDA question paper since ages. So 20 questions have come in this complete. Out of the whole of the 100 questions, 20 questions have come from geography. That means geography carried 1/5 of the question paper. So if you answer all of these 20 questions correctly, you will be able to score 80 marks out of the 400 marks that are allotted in the whole of the important GAT paper. So now let us understand with the next important subject, and that is about history. 11 questions are from history. Okay, so recently the number of questions from history are little bit reduced, but still all of these 11 questions are very good enough. And very notable point that we have to see that all of these 11 questions are all from the modern history. Okay, so most of these are from the modern history part, so this makes it very important, and those people who have already prepared the modern history for this particular examination, they are very lucky people. Okay, so those who have answered all of these 11 questions from history, they will be able to score obviously 44 marks out of the whole of the 400 marks that are allotted for this particular complete GAT paper. The next important subject that we have to look after is about the Indian polity. It is only about the Indian polity. 5 questions have come from Indian polity, and answering all of those will give you 20 marks out of the whole of the 400 marks. So all of these 5 questions carried a very distinctive questions. All of these 5 are from 5 different topics. They include the topics from the directive principles of state policy. They include topics of the Constituent Assembly and the basic features of the constitution, like that. So polity is also a very important subject. Going through with the next important topic is about economy. 4 questions have come from economy, among which 3 questions are related to the 5-year plans. Okay, so 3 questions have come directly from the 5-year plans. This makes it very clear that those who are preparing for the next year's examination, they should have a complete knowledge about all of these 5-year plans, and this is very important concept. Okay, so answering all of these 4 questions correctly, 4 into 4, which is equal to 16 marks. So you will be able to score 16 marks out of the whole of the 400 marks in this GAT paper. Going through with the next important topic is about the current affairs and the static GK. Current affairs is also known as the dynamic general knowledge, whereas static general knowledge is something which is always static. The main difference between the static GK and the current affairs is that current affairs is changeable. That means it is changed on a day-to-day basis, on monthly basis or weekly basis or whatever, but it changes. But regarding the static GK, it is always constant. Understanding? So let us consider the highest, tallest, all of these people, the first person to climb the Mount Everest, the first person to set a foot on the moon, all of these are completely constant. Their names won't change, and the persons, they cannot change. So those will be coming under the static GK things. Okay, so if you go through the complete static GK and the current affairs related questions, around 7 questions have come from the static GK. This include various amount of different concepts and various topics also. So if you are already following the daily current affairs that are being posted on a day-to-day basis by SSB Crack Exams in YouTube, and also they are being uploaded and updated by us in our Android app also, you will be very easily attempting all of these 7 questions and answering all of these 7 correctly. You would be able to score 28 marks out of the 400 marks in this complete paper. The final important topic that we have to see is about the defense specific questions. 3 questions have come that are purely related to defense. Okay, all of these 3 questions are related to 3 important military bilateral exercises. That clearly mentions that you need to have a very good knowledge about the military exercises. Okay, so those who have a good knowledge about the military exercises and what all things are going on between our country and the defense related information that are being going on, that will be very, very important. And for those who are preparing for NDA 1 2021, it is always advisable that you have a complete knowledge. Those are already following our daily defense current affairs that is being posted by SSB Crack Exams, that would always be extremely indomitably of great help to you. Going through with this one, answering all of these 3 questions correct, you will be able to score 12 marks out of the 400 marks. So now we will have a complete subject-wise overall percentage coverage analysis of all the important subjects. If we go through the complete 100% of the 100 questions that are coming under the part B of the general ability test, then 7% of it is covered by the current affairs and the static GK. Around 21% is there for physics, 17% was covered from chemistry, 12% was covered from biology, 11% was covered from history, 5% was covered from polity, 4% from economy, 20% for geography, and 3% for defense specific related questions. So it is very, very clear that those who are preparing for the next year's examination and those who have already written this particular paper, for them, if they have to understand the analysis of this question paper, then the maximum number of questions have come from the topics and from the subjects of physics, from chemistry, from biology, from history, and from geography. All of these 5 are most important subjects that you have to always remember and have a good pace of about all of these. So I hope that this particular analysis regarding the question paper of the NDA NA 2020 is good and it is helpful for you. For more content and authentic information about this particular examination and the detailed study procedure, that you can visit our website, and I highly recommend you to download our Android app from Google Play Store. Always remember that we always dream to fulfill your dreams. Always stay motivated, work smart. Jai Hind.